everybody, it's Sienna. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome back to another video. As you all know, people like to send me stuff from my Amazon wish list. And today I received this really pretty purple top from Brenton. Thank you so much, Brenton. And I also have this in pink, which you can go check out that video too. And let's go check out what outfits I can pair with this top. So this is the first outfit, and this is a really nice casual but a little bit formal. So I paired it with this black bandage skirt and these black flats, and it's just a really nice and stylish, cute, kind of everyday almost outfit. So on to the second one. So this is the second outfit, and this is a casual, you know, going outside, going shopping, doing whatever you want actually. And I paired the top with a pair of black low-rise Levi's jeans and these black Converse All-Stars. And I really like the way this outfit looks. And I also have a black belt, of course. You don't have to wear a belt, but I think the belt just gives it a little more, I don't know, pizzazz, if people still use that word. So yeah, on to the next outfit. So this is the last outfit, and this is probably an everyday wear kind of outfit for me. I really love this kind of look. It's not too, I guess, fancy, but also not too basic or boring. And I paired it with a pair of black high-waisted jean shorts and these black wedged sandals, and I really love this look. So once again, thank you so much, Brenton, for this top. I don't own a lot of purple, so I'm like really happy that I got this really pretty purple top. And thank you to all of you for watching and supporting my channel. And let me know what you guys think about the three outfits in the comments. Which one was your favorite? I think the second one was probably my favorite outfit. So I'll see you guys in my next video.